Hi, this is Michael and Jordan. This is part one in a series of videos about our approach to housing in India. This is how we view site division. In the United States, land segments called lots are divided by individual boundaries set by the state. Each of these lots is given an X and a Y dimension. Several of these segments next to one another make up a street, a neighborhood, or a block. This is a typical street or neighborhood in Vestal, Tennessee. The neighborhood is made up of a series of lots bounded by invisible lines organized by the street. Here, in India, if we take the exact same approach, we can subdivide the site into equal lot sizes. Each lot would be approximately 40 feet by 60 feet. 50% of each lot would be reserved for building and the other half left open. This allows everyone the exact same amount of space for expansion and to allow their own outdoor space. Imagine for a moment that we reduce the lot size by only 10%. This is only 240 square feet, leaving the residents with around 2,200 square feet. You may wonder what will happen with that extra 10%. Well, let me show you some examples. Imagine we take the 10%, illustrated by the red ink, of the open space from each lot and give it to the community of 12 housing units. This would give us nearly 3,000 square feet to be used within the new city block. This could be one chunk of 3,000 square feet at the end of the block. Another option is 3 individual courtyards around the size of 1,000 square feet to be shared by cluster houses. Another option is to create internal streets that reinforce the already existing city fabric. And the last option is to create a centralized community space shared by all the residents. Let's say we compare the organizing factors of India and the United States. We understand the villages in India to be organized around a main element, such as a road or river. Someone then builds next to it, then someone builds next to them, and someone next to them, and so on. All very much incremental based on what was there previously. As a new path is established, people tend to build the exact same way according to that new path or boundary. In the United States, everything is pre-divided into lots, as established earlier. These lots are determined by roads, marked in the red ink. Everything is gridded out and organized. Then people purchase a lot and build anywhere within it. Is there a compromise between these two organizational strategies? Is there a way to build more incrementally as shown in India but still be sure land is set aside for community spaces as it is in the United States? Can you suggest a new way or show us precedents that accomplish this hybrid organization?